Hi there, this is John Ferriman from Balance Physical Therapy with a very exciting announcement for everyone in Monterey and Santa Cruz counties. As we all know, access to healthcare in general is abysmal here where we live in Monterey and Salinas on the central coast of California. And we have been on a mission for 23 plus years to collapse the amount of time it takes for our patients to access us as healthcare providers in an outpatient physical therapy setting. And to that end, we are elated to report that we recently became Kaiser Permanente providers. So, if you are a Kaiser member and you're in need of outpatient physical therapy, we'd like to ask you to ask your doctor at Kaiser to please refer you to any of our 7 clinics here at Balance PT. If you're unsure how to find us, please visit balancept.com on the web or at BalancePTMove, our handle on Instagram. We look forward to seeing you in the clinic. Thank you very much.